Elecrama has been held at different venues and is coming back to Delhi after 16 years.
Elecrama is the biggest show in electrical industry, and whenever Elecrama is happening, RR has to be there.
RR Kabel is a renowned wire and cable brand of India, keeping the essence of innovation, trust and transparency. Now we have entered into a wide range of products in electrical. Now we are RR Global.
RR means respectable relations. RR means reliable resources for the customer. Basically, realization and innovation is the theme of the group. So whatever we make, it has to be the best in the world.
RR Parkon is India's largest multi-level automated car parking solutions provider. So right from parking one car on top of each other, we can park up to 60 cars in the space of 3.
Every show we launch a new product. BusDuct is the new showcasing product this time and is attracting a lot of attention and crowd.
With the new technology and the way we're growing today as a country as well as the world, where the technology is booming, it's a wonderful platform for us.
We are here with around more than 12 brands and more than 1200 variants of products to showcase in our exhibition.
We are the largest cable exporter from India, and we are the only company in the world which got 29 international approval for single factory.
We are the best company in terms of standards, ISO 9000, 14000, 18000. We are also having now ISO 51000.
What we ensure that quality is our prime motto, and it is adhered at all times in each and every product that rolls out.
Make in India is not a dream, but it is something happening, and we are able to show what we actually manufacture.
RR Global always ensures that we stick to our values and ethos for every product that churns out of this house.
RR Global is having operations in the Middle East, which is a regional hub for the Middle East and Africa and the CIS countries, including the Russia. The objective was that we need to be very, very close to the customers, and we have a people who travels to the different regions.
In time to come, you will see our presence not only in electronic, digital or outdoor medias, but in lot more different ways, touching each and every segment, whether it's consumer, influencer or trade partners.